Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to another episode of Healthy and Delicious Cooking. Ready to dive into a guilt-free, delicious chicken korma that's perfect for weight loss? This recipe is going to change the way you think about healthy eating. No cream, no excess oil, just pure flavor. You won't believe how tasty and satisfying this can be. Let's get started. First up, marination. This step is crucial for infusing the chicken with all those wonderful flavors. Grab 200 grams of boneless, skinless chicken breast and mix it with 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and our spice heroes, half a teaspoon each of turmeric powder, red chili powder, and garam masala. These spices not only add flavor but also have numerous health benefits. Don't forget a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and salt to taste. The ginger garlic paste adds a depth of flavor that is simply irresistible. Give it a good mix and let it chill for at least 30 minutes. This allows the chicken to absorb all the spices and yogurt, making it tender and flavorful. Overnight is even better if you can wait that long. The longer it marinates, the better it tastes. While that's marinating, let's jump into the gravy. This is where the magic happens. Heat half a teaspoon of olive oil or ghee in a non-stick pan. Using a non-stick pan helps in reducing the amount of oil needed. Toss in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them sizzle. This releases their aromatic oils and adds a wonderful base flavor to the dish. Next, add 1 finely chopped small onion. Onions add sweetness and depth to the gravy. Sauté until it's golden brown. This step is important for developing the rich flavor of the gravy. Then throw in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and let it cook for a bit. This will enhance the flavor profile of the dish. Time for the tomato puree. This will add a tangy and slightly sweet flavor to the gravy. Add 1 pureed tomato and cook until the oil separates. This is a sign that the tomatoes are well cooked and the flavors are concentrated. This is when the magic happens. The gravy starts to come together beautifully. Stir in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste. These spices will elevate the flavor of the gravy. For that creamy texture without the cream, blend up some cashews or use half a cup of low-fat milk. This keeps the dish light yet rich. Your call. Both options are healthy and delicious. Alright, back to the chicken. It's time to cook it to perfection. Heat another half teaspoon of oil in the pan and sear the marinated chicken until it's golden brown. This locks in the juices and adds a nice texture. Set it aside once done. Now let's bring it all together. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Add the cooked chicken to the gravy, mix well, and let it simmer for 2-3 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of Kasuri Methi for that authentic touch. Give it a final stir, and boom! Your dish is almost ready. Your healthy chicken korma is ready to devour. Let's talk about the nutrition. This dish is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Each serving clocks in at around 290 calories with a solid 42 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, and just 8 grams of fat. It's a balanced meal that fits perfectly into a healthy diet. Perfect for those on a weight loss journey. Serve it up with a small whole wheat roti or some cauliflower rice if you're watching your weight. These sides complement the dish perfectly. If muscle gain is your goal, pair it with brown rice or quinoa. These options provide additional protein and fiber. There you have it. A delicious, healthy chicken korma without the guilt. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Your feedback means a lot to me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more healthy recipes. Stay tuned for more delicious and nutritious meals. Catch you next time, foodies. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.